रोटेशनल मोशन में हम यूज करते हैं मोमेंट, MENT. इट इज नॉट मोमेंटम, इट इज मोमेंट. मोमेंट. हमने क्या वर्ड यूज किया था? हमने यूज किया था मोमेंट ऑफ inertia. For a point mass, it is given by mr square. Moment of inertia I for a point mass is mr square. The momentum of a body, the moment of a point mass, linear momentum equals mass into velocity. The quantity of motion in a body is called momentum, given by the product of mass and its velocity. Momentum is also a vector quantity. Now, if you have to find moment of momentum, moment of momentum, here this torque, what is this torque? Torque is actually moment of force. So how you find the moment of a force? Force multiplied by perpendicular distance. So how will you find moment of momentum? How will you find moment of momentum? The moment of a force, that is torque, is given by cross product of perpendicular distance and force vector. So what will be the moment of momentum? Moment of momentum, which is represented by L, it will be cross product of radius vector and momentum vector. हमें यहां यूज करना है moment of momentum. Moment of a momentum is a physical quantity that plays the same part, the same role as is placed by momentum in linear motion. जो काम लीनियर मोशन में मोमेंटम का है वही काम रोटेशनल मोशन में मोमेंट ऑफ मोमेंटम का है. जो रोल प्ले करता है मोमेंटम लीनियर मोशन में, एग्जैक्टली वही रोल प्ले करता है मोमेंट ऑफ मोमेंटम कहां? रोटेशनल मोशन में. तो व्हाट इज मोमेंट ऑफ मोमेंटम? मोमेंट ऑफ मोमेंटम, ऊंची ऊंट की पूंछ है या नहीं? ऊंची ऊंट की पूंछ, मोमेंट ऑफ मोमेंटम. बहुत सारे इस टंग ट्विस्टर में कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं. मोमेंटम ऑफ मोमेंट, मोमेंट ऑफ मोमेंट, मोमेंटम ऑफ मोमेंटम. इट इज मोमेंट ऑफ मोमेंटम. तो जो काम लीनियर मोशन में लीनियर मोमेंटम ने किया वही काम रोटेशनल मोशन में किसने किया? मोमेंट ऑफ मोमेंटम ने किया. दिस मोमेंट ऑफ मोमेंटम is called angular momentum. It is called what? Angular momentum. तो अब हम फाइंड कर रहे हैं मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया इन टर्म्स ऑफ एंगुलर मोमेंटम. इन टर्म्स ऑफ एंगुलर मोमेंटम. Body is made up of different particles of mass m1, m2 at perpendicular distance r1, r2, r3 from the axis of rotation. So linear momentum of particle of mass m1, v1. What is the relation between v and omega? R omega. It becomes r1 omega. Linear momentum of second particle, moment of momentum. Moment of momentum of particles of body, what will be the moment of momentum of particle of mass m1? Moment of momentum of different particles. What will be the moment of momentum of particle of mass m1? R1 into P1. What is P1? M1 R1 omega. So you will get 2 R1. No. Okay. The moment of momentum of particles of body is M1 R1 square omega. For second particle, it will be M2 R2 square omega up to Mn Rn square omega. This is for first particle, second particle, this is for nth particle. Then moment of momentum of the body. Hence, moment of momentum of body. Moment of momentum of body, that is what? Angular momentum. Angular momentum of body. L. It is given by M1 R1 square omega. The moment of momentum of first particle, then M2 R2 square omega, the moment of momentum for second particle, and up to what? Mn Rn square omega. What is this Mn Rn square? Moment of momentum for nth particle. So what is L? Omega is common. So what is L? M1 R1 square plus M2 R2 square up to Mn Rn square omega. So what is this? It is the summation of from I equals 1 to n mi Ri square omega. Here, by the definition of moment of inertia, mi Ri square, the moment of inertia of body, hence L equals I omega. This is the relation between angular momentum and the moment of inertia. It is very similar to the momentum in linear motion given by product of mass and velocity. Here P is linear momentum, here L is angular momentum. Here mass of body, which measures the inertia. Here it is moment of inertia of body. I is the moment of inertia of body, which plays the same role as played by mass in linear motion. And omega, what is omega? Omega is analog to velocity in linear motion. So how will you find moment of inertia with the help of this linear momentum? If omega equals 1 radian per second, if omega equals 1 radian per second, how will you get? You get I equals L. I equals L. The unit of this L is what? What will be the unit? Now the unit of I is kilogram meter square. The unit of omega is radian per second. Kilogram meter square, radian per second. So you can define moment of inertia in terms of angular momentum. What? How will you define it? You will define the moment of inertia of a body about given axis is equal to the is equal to its angular momentum or moment of momentum when rotating at 1 radian per second about the given axis. Angular moment of inertia of a body about the given axis is numerically equal to its angular momentum when rotating at an angular speed of at a constant angular speed of 1 radian per second about the given axis.